Financial statements are the report card for a business. They tell the story of how money moves into and out of a company. These documents are designed to provide transparency, giving investors and lenders a clear picture of a company's health. There are three primary documents that every analyst looks at to understand the underlying business operations. The balance sheet is a snapshot, the income statement is a movie of profitability, and cash flow tracks the actual currency. It is important to remember that accounting profit is not the same as cash in the bank, which is why both matter. Public companies typically release these detailed reports every 3 months, allowing investors to track performance changes over time. Numbers can be adjusted by accounting rules, but cash flow often reveals the most honest side of the story. Learning to read these reports is a key skill for any investor. Thanks for watching and stay curious about your finances.